You just bought your first Chromebook and you're wondering because your Chromebook won't turn on although you are pushing the power button? In this video I have the solution for you in less than 60 seconds. When you start a Chromebook for the first time, it is absolutely normal that it won't turn on by pushing the power button. Brand new Chromebooks need to be plugged in and get charged for a few seconds to get it started. This so-called shipping mode is kind of a security feature for Chromebooks so that the Chromebook won't turn on while being shipped from the factory to the customer. After plugging in the power cable and charging your new Chromebook, it will turn on without any problems anymore and you can get started with your new Chromebook. If you don't want to miss any more tips and tricks, please subscribe to this channel and I will keep on publishing many more videos about Chromebooks and Chrome OS. Thanks for watching and see you next time.